Hey, hello guys, welcome to the video. In this video, we are going to learn about conditional statement, and this is SRINIVAS the developer from the developer channel. So, what are conditions? Like in previous video, we have learned about control statements, right? So, these control statements execute the operation under certain conditions. So, it will repeat the operations. But what if we need to modify the execution part? Like we just need to do something like this. For in case I'm going to go the epic example, odd or even. So what are the conditional statements we have? If, else, and the combination of both will give you elif. So if you have to check something like I'm specifying a number n equal to 10, if n malo 2 equal to 0, which is nothing but checking statement for even case. Yeah, this is the command. So whatever I give after this, hash won't execute or won't affect my code. The mal operator will give you something like the remainder of the value divided by 10 divided by 2 will give you 5, right? That's the quotient, I guess. And with the remainder 0. So to get the remainder, we go for Marlow operator. So 10 Marlow 2 will give you remainder 0, and 11 Marlow 2 will give you, sorry, this should be 11 Marlow 2 will give you a remainder 1, which is nothing but we can easily able to understand if the remainder is 1, it's a odd statement. If the remainder is 0, it's a even statement. So just remember that. If n malo 2, print even. Make sure that you have put all those values inside the double quotes to get rid of the variable or the name even is not defined. Else we have something print odd. So the 10 is even, we got even. If I change the value of n equal to something called 1 and I'm doing the same operation, we got odd because 1 is odd. What if I just need to check the value is negative or positive? So I can add either one more condition here. If even, inside this if I can add one more if n greater than 0, print positive, else print negative. I'm not going to do that for odd operation, so it won't give that. If I change the value into 2 and I'm executing the condition, we got even positive. If I specify the value -2 here, we will get even negative. What if we just need to print, if the value is 0, we just need to print 0 itself. Either you can go for else block, and inside this else you can add one more if condition. If n equal to 0 and print 0, else print negative. So we got negative, and if I change the value to 0, n equal to 0, and I'm executing the same thing, even 0. But this thing is look like something bigger, right? It's not compact or it's not efficient. So we can just skip all those 3 lines just by using a single word elif. If n greater than 0, print positive. Elif n equal to 0, print 0. Else print negative. So I have given a value n, so that's give me 0. If I specify value n equal to 1, it just give positive, and if I specify the value -1, it will give you negative. Believe me, yeah, this is how it should work. But we are doing the same operation for different values by writing the same code again and again, right? So to get rid of that, we will see about function in next video.